John Zubrzycki is Principal Technologist at BBC Research and Development. John, how would you characterise the archive problem today?
The archive problem is because we are now using digital techniques, and they are still very new for archivists to become familiar with, and they're more familiar with film and videotape, and the IT technology that they're relying on is changing all the time.
You must generate a lot of content. I mean, how do you make things findable in such huge archives?
Yes, first of all, we try to make sure there's a lot of metadata in the archives. So our archive department actually have a very good cataloguing system, but that's not always sufficient. We sometimes, with some content, we actually have to look at the content itself, and we use picture recognition and audio recognition techniques to analyze the content, to look for faces, to do speech to text, and to look at other audio and video parameters in that content to add to the metadata.
Now we're looking at end-to-end digital. We have ridiculous, sometimes, ratios. How do we decide what to keep when we're shooting 2 to 800 to 1?
Yes, technology can help there, especially when you are actually making different shoots because there's something that went technically wrong with the shoot. Maybe the picture was out of focus. We can use technology to see if the picture is sharp, whether the lighting was right, the exposure was correct, or use image recognition techniques, for example, to see if the microphone boom has come into shot. That can help actually discard a lot of the wasted shoots.
And what sort of impact can a well-ordered archive have on a broadcast operation?
It can have a huge impact because an archive that is easy to use, you can find stuff, it can deliver its stuff quickly because it's well connected into production, can have a huge impact in saving time and hence costs in a program production.
John, thank you very much.
Thank you.